what's up you guys? My name is Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. This video was actually filmed in September. It's from when I went to the beach with two of my friends, and I don't know where the beginning clip of this video went, but basically what I was explaining was that me, Kylie, and Drew had planned to go to the beach, and we left at 4 or 5 in the morning, and then Kylie slept through her alarm, so me and Drew just left without her, and then I think about like 45 or 30 minutes later, she ended up waking up and calling us, and then we had to drive back. So this is in the middle of me explaining it, but I wanted to give a little explanation because I don't know where that clip went, but I didn't want you guys to be confused. So yeah, enjoy the video. So we wanted Kylie to come really bad, so we were kind of bummed, but we were just trying to make the most of it. It's like, what time was it, Drew, when Kylie called?
Like 6:45.
No,
6:30.
No, it's 6:30. We get a call. Me and Drew are probably like 20 minutes into our drive. We're like on the highway, and then this fricker wakes up. She wakes up, and so now she's here. It is 8:04, and I called and I was like, I'm sorry. She was like, are you guys mad at me? And then Maddie was like,
yeah,
okay?
we were mad at you though.
Maddie was like, are you okay?
No, I've been going through it.
I thought she died. Like, she like deleted her Instagram. Like, we were just like, what is going on with Kylie?
Oh my gosh, but I'm here.
But we're here, going to the beach, doing a little day vlog for the day.
You know how are you filming right now?
It doesn't matter, I'll put music over it.
Okay. Butthole.
Stop.
Butthole. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Can we do?
Good luck. You're perfectly fine. 'Cause your heart after breaking my eye.
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be let down.
I like to say what if we could kiss and just cut the rubbish.
I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting, when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, seeing where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to.
Hey vlog, it is now 1 o'clock and we're going to go get some smoothies. We've been sitting on the beach and going in the water. The weather's beautiful, just hanging out. I'm gonna go get food now. Drew, tell everybody the smoothie you got. Tell them. What's in it?
What? It's like bananas and blueberries and Greek yogurt.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
He doesn't actually like that. He's just saying it because the people that work here are right there, and he doesn't want to be rude. He actually, I got a bowl. What did you get?
Yummy.
A bowl. Acai. I got a pitaya bowl.
Yummy.
I look a little bit like I was electrocuted. That's Kylie's. There she is. Oh, it looks pretty.
Many hours later.
They gathered.
Go. Okay.
They gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of me. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk down like
just a trompe